Hello, my name is Naomi and welcome to Creating Naomi, where I make all kinds of things. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this orange and patchouli soap. If that sounds like something you'd like to see, just keep watching. First thing I'm going to do is just weigh out my ingredients. So I'm going to be using activated charcoal, and I'm also using some turmeric powder. For the scent, I'm using orange essential oil, and I'm also using patchouli essential oil. Then I just go ahead and add my oils. I'm using olive oil, and I'm also going to be using some coconut oil as well. Then I'm just going to go ahead and add in the essential oils. So I am going to be mixing up my colors. I'm just adding a little bit of those oils to my powders, that's charcoal and turmeric, and mixing those with a stainless steel whisk. Then I just go ahead and add in my lye water solution to my oils and blend. Once it's reached the consistency I like, I'm going to be adding that into my colorants, and I'm just eyeballing this, but it should be relatively even amounts. Then I just pour it into my mold. There's really no rhyme or reason, I'm just alternating between the colors. After a few days, I removed it from the mold, and then I measured out some 1-inch slices and started cutting it. This is actually a cheese slicer that I'm using, but I really like it and I think it does a really good job. And that's it. I'm just going to wait 6 weeks for them to fully cure, and then they'll be ready to use. Don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed this video. It really means a lot to me. And thank you just so much to anybody who has supported my channel through donations, through sharing, likes, literally anything. If you'd like to support my channel, please check out the link in the description under Buy Me A Kombucha. Thank you so much.